AB Cargo. So, he's gonna track my package, change package, or calculating. So, calculating muna tayo. So, pan cargo. Then, select origin. Dahil nasa Manila tayo, Manila ang tatype na natin. Then, select origin. Cagayan de Oro. Cagayan de Oro. Then, save. So, select natin kung via air, via regular cargo. So, regular cargo tayo. Send pick up or for delivery. So, pag pick up branch, ang pinili natin. Then, declare value optional. Then, quantity optional. So, weight ni Golf Umbrella is 29 kilo. Then, add measurement. So, 100. Yung length niya, 25. Then, 38. So, add natin. Then, calculate. So, okay na natin. Then, ayan po. 1,387 ang regular cargo ni Golf Umbrella. 50 pieces.